Hi guys, welcome to my channel Lush Gardener. I hope you guys are fine and are safe. So in today's video, I'm going to show you what exactly happens when you do not let your cuttings callus and if they come in contact with water. Now be it you might have kept it on a dry surface and the water or the moisture has landed up on the cut, or let's say that you have kept them on the soil and you accidentally happen to water the leaf propagation without letting them callus. Now that's exactly what happened over here because it started to rain and I did keep it on a dry surface. I tried to keep it away as much as possible from the moisture or from the water droplets, but unfortunately it was so windy that these leaves that they happen to come in contact with moisture, or I would say the rainwater droplets. And as you can see, this is how it tends to look like. Now I'm not very sure if these are going to get propagated, but I'll still keep them aside. But you can see the rot has already started. So this is the place where eventually the pups and the roots happen to come out. This is the place where it has to be a clean cut and it has to get calloused, which takes around 2 or 3 days depending upon your environment. But unfortunately these happen to come in contact with the moisture. So you can see it has started to turn darker in color, which means that it has started to rot, and eventually the entire opening that you see from where the pups and the roots come out is going to turn completely dark in color, which means that that portion of the leaf propagation is starting to die out. And I'm not very sure. I think 99% this is not going to get propagated because the entire opening is eventually going to start turning darker in color. So it's very unfortunate. A lot of times these accidents do happen. No matter how careful you are, these things do happen. But again, there is nothing to be sad about it. It all means that you need some more leaves for propagation. That's all about it. But yes, this is how it's going to turn out. So always remember, whenever you are doing a leaf propagation, keep those leaves safe for at least to be on the safer side, I would say at least for 4 days. Keep them away from any kind of moisture or any kind of water. Otherwise, you are going to end up like this. So even before they could get calloused, they came in contact with water and they have started to rot. So this is how it usually happens. So guys, I hope that you don't do the same mistake and you let your leaf propagation callus properly. And that's all about it, because that's the most important part. So guys, I hope that this video was helpful to you. If it was, please hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe and keep propagating.